Hi, boys and girls. Well, we are going to take a look at the 3 states of matter. And we're going to use baking soda as our solid. We're going to use vinegar as our liquid. And I have a bottle of air. Mrs. Clapp, there's no air in there. Yes, there's air in there. Remember, air takes the shape of its container. You can't always see it, but it's in there. And we're going to use my solid and my liquid to help the air get out of the bottle and help blow up my balloon. I have a nice purple balloon, and I'd like to see it all blown up and be big. So, with the help of our balloon, we'll collect the air from out of the bottle, and the solid and the liquid will push the air out and up into the balloon. So, we have a very fine solid here. Remember, a fine solid that's made up of teeny tiny particles like sand will flow like a liquid. So I'm going to take a little funnel and put it in the end of my balloon. And I'm going to get these out of the way just for now. Take a scoop of our solid and put it into our balloon. Oh, that one's got a bit of a lump. This one will be better. Put it in our funnel. So here is our very fine solid, our baking powder, and it kind of pours like a liquid because it's so fine. And we're going to tap that down into our balloon. I'm going to get the spoon out of the way and get the baking soda out of the way. I'm going to use my little handy dandy bent paper clip to help push that powder down through the funnel and into our balloon. All right. Now, the next thing I need to do is saw some of it fall out. Let's get our liquid and pour it into our bottle of air. Even just pouring some of our liquid into the bottle of air will help push some of the air out. So, let's get this vinegar. We're going to carefully pour our liquid from one container into another container. And we know that liquids pour and take the shape of their container. Maybe we'll get a little bit more in there as it's taking the shape of the bottom of my bottle and it is forcing some of the air out. All right, that looks pretty good. So, put the lid on our liquid just in case I spill it, because then we know the liquid will pour everywhere and then it will spread out and I'll have to clean it up. I don't want to do that. I'm going to take our balloon that has our solid inside it, our baking soda, and I'm going to put top of it over our bottle. All right, now we are set. The air is now trapped in our bottle because the balloon covered the top. So the air that is in there is trapped in the bottle. And we've got our liquid, our vinegar, down the bottom, and we can swirl that around as the molecules move and slide over each other. Now we're going to take our solid and we're going to put it into our liquid and see if we can get the air from the bottle to go into the balloon. And I'm going to take this tray away so that you can see what happens to the balloon. All right. Let's take a look here, friends. I'm going to angle the camera so you can see. Okay. I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to tip it up. And let's see what happens. Whoa! The air from our bottle is definitely going into our balloon. So as our solid fell into our liquid, our baking soda fell into our vinegar, it reacted. There was a chemical reaction with the vinegar, and it created carbon dioxide, which is a gas. And our gas went up into our balloon and blew it up for me. So I didn't have to blow it up at all. So now there is barely any air in the bottle. It is mainly up in our balloon. So that's pretty cool. Now I can carefully take my balloon off the bottle and tie it up. Now we have trapped the gas in our balloon. Really cool. Hey, this means I'm going to need to have a party. Wonder who I can invite. And then maybe I'll blow up all the balloons that way, using our solid and our liquid to get the gas.